Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another restoration. Today we're finally going to get started on the wood burning stove. It's going to be the primary source of heat for my shop. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty. Well, let's get this thing put up here. First, let's get the racks off. There's no real reason to have those on right now. This thing is in really good shape, to be honest with you. I do need to get in here and clean all the old ash and debris out of here. I do need to straighten this grate out. I did order some fire brick for this, so the fire brick should be in tomorrow, and my cordage, my heat cordage here, this should be in tomorrow as well. So that is pretty cool. Hopefully we get all of it at the same time and we don't have to worry about anything else. So what's going to be my best course of action here? Hell tonnage of spider webs in there. Leaves, paper, all sorts of nasty, creepy crawlies and yuck. I think what I'm going to do is take this outside. Let me find a scraper. Alright guys, the stove's all painted. All I'm doing now is just trying to lay out what I got going on here. I need the cement board so heat doesn't radiate down. I'm also going to build this up and off the ground more. I got some pavers that I'm going to put down with mortar and all that. Just trying to figure out how to ensure that I'm not going to heat the walls up too much. I know I'm putting some more of this. I got 2 more sheets of cement board. I'm going to put that there. And I'm also going to do some corrugated steel to reflect the heat out. But I'm just trying to get a plan in my head of how I want to do this. glad you weren't standing there. That's why she had a safety shield on. Well, I just got them all dry stacked for right now. Tomorrow I'll come back through and mortar them all in place. I've got my corrugated steel cut and ready for the backsplash. It's going to radiate heat out, and yeah, it's going to be my little fire area. Got that done, and I even got the fire brick in there. It's going to protect the sides and the bottom from getting too hot and burning up. So, looking good so far. Looking real good. Almost done. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. I think it came out pretty good. It's going to do what it does. It's going to reflect the heat outwards. I've got the fireproofing behind the tin. I built the hearth. We restored the stove. It's got new gasket material. It's got a new high temp paint job. I'm quite happy with that. We got the Firestone inside the stove. The only thing I'm waiting on is the flue itself. It's on back order, and I guess it's going to take 6 weeks. So everything now takes 6 weeks. We're just gonna end this now. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you guys next week with another. Bye.